In a world full of noise, judgment, and distraction, trust is rare. When someone opens their heart to you when they reveal their struggles, it's not just conversation. It's a gift of vulnerability. Yet many men today either dismiss it, misunderstand it, or misuse it. The Stoics, Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, taught us that life is not about controlling what others do, but about mastering how we respond. And if there is one test of character, it is how you handle another person's trust, especially when that person is a woman who chooses you to share her hidden struggles with. Today, we'll explore 10 powerful Stoic lessons on what it really means when a woman tells you her problems. We'll draw from ancient wisdom, real-life examples, and practical advice that you can apply today. Because if you learn to approach her words with patience, wisdom, and virtue, you won't just understand her better. You'll become the kind of man who is calm, trustworthy, and unforgettable. Let's begin. Lesson 1. It means she trusts you with her inner world Stoic insight. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If someone is able to show me that what I think or do is not right, I will happily change. For I seek the truth by which no one was ever truly harmed." Trust is rare. When a woman shares her problems, she is handing you a glimpse into her private struggles. She doesn't give this to just anyone. It means she sees you as someone strong enough to hold her truth without judgment. Modern example. She might tell you about the stress she feels at work, the argument she had with her family, or her fears about the future. These are not just words, they are windows into her soul. Practical Stoic advice. Respond as Marcus would, without arrogance, without quick judgment, but with calm presence. Don't rush to give solutions. Listen. Honor her trust by holding space for her truth. Lesson 2. It means she sees you as strong enough to handle her burdens. Stoic insight. Epictetus taught, "We are not disturbed by things, but by the view which we take of them." When she tells you her problems, she believes you won't be shaken or weakened by them. She believes you are grounded enough to listen without making it about yourself. Modern example. A woman may say, "I feel overwhelmed with everything happening in my life." If she says this to you, it's not weakness, it's faith that you won't crumble under her honesty. Practical Stoic advice. Train yourself daily to strengthen your inner fortress. Don't let external emotions throw you off balance. Instead of reacting emotionally, respond with steadiness. Be the calm in her storm. Lesson 3. It means she values your perspective. Stoic insight. Seneca reminds us, we are more often frightened than hurt, and we suffer more in imagination than in reality. When she opens up to you, it's because your perspective carries weight in her mind. She values your clarity when her own thoughts feel clouded. Modern example. She might ask, "What do you think I should do?" Not because she can't decide for herself, but because she trusts your wisdom to guide her when she's lost in fear. Practical Stoic advice. Don't give shallow or careless responses. Practice Stoic discipline. Answer with reason, honesty, and kindness. Show her that your words come from wisdom, not impulse. Lesson 4. It means she feels safe around you. Stoic insight. Marcus Aurelius said, "If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it." Safety is built on integrity. When she shares her problems, it means she feels safe in your presence, safe from judgment, gossip, or betrayal. Modern example. She may reveal insecurities she hides from the world. If she chooses you, it means she feels a shield around her heart when she's with you. Practical Stoic advice. Protect that safety. Never use her vulnerability against her. Never repeat what she shares in confidence. A Stoic honors trust as sacred. Lesson 5. It means she wants to see your character. Stoic insight. Epictetus said, "Circumstances don't make the man, they only reveal him to himself." When she shares her problems, she's also watching how you respond. Do you mock her? Do you dismiss her? Do you listen with patience? This moment reveals your true character. Modern example. If she tells you about financial stress and you laugh it off, you show carelessness. If you listen and ask thoughtful questions, you show depth. Practical Stoic advice. Use these moments as a test of your own discipline. Respond with patience, not pride. With gentleness, not arrogance. With wisdom, not noise. Lesson 6. It means she seeks peace. not just solutions. Stoic insight. Seneca taught, sometimes even to live is an act of courage. Often, when she tells you her problems, she doesn't want quick fixes. She wants peace. She wants to be heard, to be reminded that she's not alone. Modern example. She may say, "I feel like nothing is working out." She doesn't always need a plan. Sometimes she just needs your steady presence. Practical Stoic advice. Practice the Stoic art of stillness. Don't rush to fix everything. Instead, sit with her emotions calmly. Sometimes your silence and understanding are the greatest gifts. Lesson 7. It means she trusts you with her vulnerability. Stoic insight. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Be tolerant with others and strict with yourself." When a woman tells you her problems, she is vulnerable. She is lowering her guard. This is not weakness, it is courage. And she chooses you because she believes you will honor her courage. Modern example. She may cry in front of you, even though she hates crying in public. She may reveal fears she doesn't share with others. Practical Stoic advice. Respond with compassion, not judgment. Remember, the Stoic man is strong not because he never bends, but because he supports others when they do. Lesson 8. It means she wants to build a deeper connection. Stoic insight. Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." She is testing if you are free from ego, if you can handle her truth without making it about yourself. If you can, it deepens the bond between you. Modern example. She tells you something painful from her past. If you listen with openness, she will feel closer to you. Practical Stoic advice. Approach her words as an opportunity to grow in patience, empathy, and humility. Don't seek to dominate the conversation. Seek to connect. Lesson 9. It means she wants to know if you can handle real-life Stoic insight. Seneca wrote, "Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body." Life is not just laughter and good times. It's also hardship. If she shares her problems, she's showing you reality. She wants to see if you can stand beside her through storms, not just sunshine. Modern example. When she tells you about family struggles or career setbacks, she is asking, silently, "Can you handle the truth of life? Or are you only here for the easy moments?" Practical Stoic advice. Strengthen your resilience daily. Don't fear problems, yours or hers. Show her that you can stand calmly in the storm, just as a Stoic should. Lesson 10. It means she wants a man who listens, not just hears Stoic insight. Marcus Aurelius taught, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." When she shares her problems, she doesn't just want ears, she wants presence. To listen is not the same as to hear. To listen is to understand, to be fully there without distraction. Modern example. You nod while scrolling on your phone. That's hearing. You put your phone away, look her in the eyes, and listen. That's presence. Practical Stoic advice. Practice active listening. Don't interrupt. Don't drift away. Focus completely. Listening itself is an act of love and of Stoic discipline. Conclusion. Calm outro music begins. Narrator, deep, reflective voice. So what does it mean when a woman tells you her problems? It means trust. It means respect. It means she sees in you the strength to handle her truth. But the Stoic man does not take this lightly. He does not boast about it, nor does he misuse it. He receives her words with patience, listens with wisdom, and responds with virtue. Because in the end, her problems are not there for you to fix or exploit. They are there to test your character. And if you respond as Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, or Epictetus would, you will become not just a man she remembers, but a man who lives with wisdom, strength, and peace. And that is what it truly means.